This is a used 2009 Ford Edge, powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a spoiler, power seats, cruise control, split rear seats, a trip computer, an MP3 player, privacy glass. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.